Hi, first graders. Welcome to your week 13 sound spelling card lesson. And you can probably tell how many different sound spelling cards we're going to be working on this week. Not one, not two, but 3 different sound spelling cards. One of them you've seen before. You're just going to learn a new spelling. But the other 2 are going to be new cards for you. So we will practice them one at a time, but I wanted to go over each of them first. The first digraph that we're going to be working on this week is from the sheep card. And the sheep card is going to help us with this sound, sh, sh. And that spelling is SH. Only one spelling for that sound, which is helpful. The second digraph that we're going to work on this week, you have seen this card before. This is the fish card. So you already know the sound, but now you're going to learn a new spelling for it, which is spelled with a PH. So when you see that digraph PH together, you'll hear the sound. The third digraph that we're going to work on is from the whale card. The whale card is going to help us with the sound. It's a little tricky because it sounds very similar to the worm card, but it's a bit of a combination of the W and the H together. So please grab your whiteboard and your marker because we're going to get started. We'll practice, like I said, each of these one at a time, but you're going to write some words with me. The first sound spelling card that we're going to practice writing words for is the sheep card. If you remember, the sheep card is for the sound sh, sh, and the digraph spelling is SH. The sh sound can come at the beginning of a word, middle of a word, or end of the word. But regardless of where it is in the word, the spelling stays the same, so that's helpful. The first word that we're going to practice spelling is the word ship. Ship. The ship sailed across the sea. Ship. 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 The next word that we're going to spell is the word shack. The shack was almost destroyed in the storm. Shack, 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 and that short vowel A means that the K sound is going to be spelled CK, shack. The next word that we're going to practice is the word mash. Mash, the baby tried to mash his food. Mash, 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 mash. The next word that we're going to practice is the word brush. Brush. She had to brush her horse's hair. Brush. It starts with a blend. Brush. 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 The last word that we're going to practice for this sound spelling card is the word trash. Trash. Please put your trash in the trash can. Trash. It starts with another blend. Trash. 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 The next sound spelling card that we're going to practice is the fish card with the spelling PH, the digraph PH. Now the words with the spelling PH are very challenging. You're going to learn about long vowels in the next couple weeks. So once we learn about long vowels, you'll get to see more words that you know how to spell. But there are some pretty tricky words that use the PH spelling. So if you want to put your whiteboard down for this part, you can, because the words I'm about to show you, I don't expect you to try all the way by yourself, all alone. If you want to challenge yourself, you are more than welcome to try them along with me. But if you want to take a break for the next few moments and just watch these words, you can. The first word that you are probably able to write on your own, but you can watch me, is the word graph. Graph. The graph showed how many people liked the different sports. Graph starts with the blend graph. 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 The next word is a little bit more challenging, but you might be able to do this one on your own. The next word is one of my favorite animals. The word is dolphin. 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 The sound is in the middle. Dolphin. Dolphin has 2 syllables, dolphin. So we'll spell it by the syllables. The first syllable is doll, d-all, doll. The second syllable is fin, using that PH spelling. Fin. Fin. Dolphin. There you go. The next word that we're going to practice is a word that you have seen about every day that you've been on the class website, but now you will actually learn the spelling behind it. The word is phonics. Phonics, and phonics are the sounds that we practice. So phonics, that sound is at the beginning. On, ix, phonics. Again, that's a word I don't expect you to be able to spell on your own, but now you know where that PH spelling comes from. The last word that we're going to practice for this sound spelling card is a word that everyone knows, but you might not have spelled it before. It's the word elephant. Elephant. So the beginning sound of elephant is L, Ella, and elephant. So there's a very challenging word that I do not expect you to memorize this week. But if you see it in a book, now you know that these PH spellings make the sound. We've got one more to practice. The last sound spelling card that you need to know this week is the whale card with the sound hua, hua, hua. We are going to practice a couple words that use that spelling. The first word is a question word. It's the word when. When will I see you again? When, 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 when. The next word is the word whip. Whip. You need to whip the batter for the recipe. Whip, 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 whip. The next word is the word whisk. Whisk. The whisk is a tool that the chef uses. Whisk, whisk. There's an S blend at the end. Whisk, whisk. The next word that we're going to spell is the word whiff. Whiff. She got a whiff of the delicious cookies baking. Can you tell that I'm hungry? Whiff, 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 whiff. And there's a short vowel, so that means the final sound is going to be a double final consonant. Whiff. There we go. The last word that we're going to spell is a bit of a challenge, but I invite you to challenge yourself and try to spell it with me. The last word is the word whisper. Whisper. She had to whisper when the baby was asleep. Whisper. 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 And the sound is spelled ER. Whisper. There they are, first graders, all 3 of your sound spelling cards for the week. This is not going to be an easy week, but I believe in you. I know you can do it. Good luck on your practice this week, and I will see you soon. Bye.